did you know there's a car point?
And then?
Daddy car turned the other way. That car was in the middle. Point there. He doesn't move.
Yeah.
It was put.
Yeah, and then?
Daddy went the other way. Like this.
And then?
And then that's good. I was wearing my seatbelt tight.
Oh, that's the use of the seat belt because in case of
Emergency. Oops, sorry.
It's good Shelby is wearing seat belt.
Mom, don't touch my seatbelt. That's the end.
That's the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then